Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Reports. Let me show you our the newest display cases. This one is model FZW 100X. And let's take a look at the overall sizes. Entire length will be 27 inches. And depth will be 18.5 inches. And tall will be 20.5 inches. And we do have stickers right here on the side with all the details and diagram right here. And let me show you the back side and the inner dimensions. Let's take a look at the back side and inner dimensions. They do have 110 plugs right here and the switch here. Let's take a look at the top tray sizes. Entirely about 13.5 inches in the depth. (24 inches in the length. And let me take a look at the bottom one. Same 24 inches in the length. Bottom will be 16 inches in the depth. Top layer will be 7 inches. Thank you for watching the videos. If you have more detailed questions, just ask us. Thank you.